Hello, and welcome back to GovDoc News. No opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents. You take it from there. Back at it again, Supreme Court opinion on an order in the case Trump v. Boyle. All right, here we have a case where the president wants to remove members of the CPSC, or Consumer Product Safety Commission, without giving a specific reason. The CPSC is designed by Congress to be an independent agency, meaning its members are supposed to serve fixed terms and can only be fired for specific reasons like neglecting duties or wrongdoing. The U.S. District Court of Maryland issued an order blocking the president from removing CPSC members without cause. And as a result, the president's team then asked the Supreme Court to stay that decision so the removals could take place while the case plays out. And the Supreme Court said yes, pausing the decision and allowing the removal until the case fully plays out in the courts. The court found this case very similar to Trump v. Wilcox, where the court allowed the president to remove members from other independent agencies without cause, the National Labor Relations Board and the Merit Systems Protection Board. This all comes down to harms, as it usually does. The court said that the government would face greater harms if the removed CPSC members were allowed to keep working, because they would be exercising significant executive power without the approval of the president. Justice Kavanaugh wrote a concurring opinion going as far to say that the Supreme Court should have immediately taken up the case, or certiorari, granted certiorari, as old precedent around independent agencies is in question. Justice Kagan, along with Sotomayor and Jackson, dissented the majority's decision, arguing that these agencies are independent for a reason. They also highlighted the 100-year-old Supreme Court case Humphrey's Executor as the precedent, which said Congress can create independent agencies where members cannot be removed without cause. And this is the precedent generally in question in this case. They also do not like that this was decided on the emergency docket, which does not allow for as much discussion as usual. Either way, the members of CPSC can be removed while the case plays out in the federal court system, and the stay will be in effect until the case's resolution. All right, Kaimo, keep your mind open, do your own research, form your own opinion, check out that Patreon if you want to support the show. We'll see you next time.